Welcome to our channel. Today we have come up with an amazing video that will help you to know how to make money or earn money through NFT. NFTs are digital items that can be bought or sold using this blockchain technology, but they are not fungible, making them a different type of asset. Some have sold for millions, including an NFT by digital artist People, which went under the hammer at Christie's in March for an eye-watering $69.3 million. Some of the most coveted NFTs are released via collections of thousands of unique individual cartoons, such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club. They are seen as intrinsically cool by their owners, who enjoy boasting of their purchases by displaying them as their social media avatars. The tokens aren't necessarily images though. On several websites, such as Decentraland and The Sandbox, you can buy virtual land in NFT form. Critics say investors are spending money on meaningless items, but supporters insist that NFTs are much more than digital trinkets. Some predict that using the blockchain to record the ownership history of an item will eventually become much more widespread, revolutionizing how we think about property. Like cryptocurrencies, NFTs are bought and sold on specialized platforms. OpenSea is the best-known NFT marketplace. A sale does not necessarily involve the transfer of the object depicted by the token. NFTs of famous paintings have been sold, for example, but the buyer does not receive the painting. The question of how to create non-fungible tokens and earn money has been on the minds of entrepreneurs, developers, and enthusiasts for quite some time. Non-fungible tokens are tokens that are unique in terms of their characteristics. The following are steps a person needs to follow to make NFT. First, clarify and figure out what a non-fungible token is, and you are sure to make one and sell it. Check out the platforms and select one that you want to sell. Next, set up and connect the crypto wallet. Finally, start creating your first non-fungible token and list it on your chosen platform. After listing the digital assets, there are multiple ways of making a lifetime passive money. Some of them are the following. Sell non-fungible token on a marketplace. One of the most popular ways for people to make money is by selling their NFTs on a marketplace. There are a variety of platforms and marketplaces where these NFTs can be sold and traded on, such as OpenSea, Axie Marketplace, CryptoPunks, Rarible, Super Rare, Mintable, Rentout. Non-fungible tokens or NFTs are digital assets that cannot be replicated. One way to use NFTs is through what is known as renting. Renting the NFT means giving it away for a fixed time in return for money. Royalties. The digital asset creator can earn passive lifetime royalties, even after selling it out to someone else. The creator needs to impose terms, and then whenever someone buys the asset you initially created, you will still get royalties over your lifetime. NFT Sports. Non-fungible tokens are offering great opportunities to every field, including sports. Unfortunately, no one has fully benefited from them yet. These digital assets can be a great money-making opportunity for sports like football and tennis game, if applied correctly. They can also help increasement with their favorite sports. Sports lovers always love to get sports collectibles, like a badge, t-shirt, etc. And non-fungible tokens provide exactly that opportunity, but in digital form. Popular and expensive non-fungible tokens. There is a huge list of the most popular and expensive non-fungible tokens. Some of them are already sold for nearly $100 million, and even more. Here, we are going to briefly discuss 5 popular tokens. The Merge. The Merge by digital artist Pack is one of the most expensive and popular non-fungible tokens. The Merge is a mysterious and creative artwork and was sold for $91.8 million. The First 5,000 Days. The First 5,000 Days is an artwork created by the famous Beeple and sold for $69 million in a first-ever digital art auction. Human 1. Human 1 is a hybrid artwork, meaning it also combines some physical elements. The Human 1 was also created by Beeple and is worth nearly $29 million. CryptoPunk number 7523. CryptoPunk number 7523 is a digital avatar that was bought by DraftKings shareholder Shalom McKenzie for nearly $12 million. CryptoPunk 31,000. CryptoPunk 31,000 is another alien-based digital artwork with a blue and white headband. It sold for about $7.5 million. In conclusion, NFT is a great way to passively make money. The process may appear daunting at first, but it's relatively easy if you have some basic knowledge on how to operate on a blockchain. Hope you enjoyed the video and found this helpful. Do like, comment, and share. Also, press the bell icon for future updates.